Hey friends, welcome to the SavvyCast. This is Jamie, and I'm thrilled that you're here today, whether you're watching on YouTube or listening to the podcast. Okay, I am in a little bit of a different setting. If you're watching on YouTube, I'm in my kitchen, and I had a Costco haul last night, first Costco run of the summer, and I snagged a few things that I thought I'm going to share those with my podcast and YouTube peeps, because I know y'all care about Costco finds as well. That's one of the questions I probably get more than anything as far as tips or feedback for shopping. It's, what do you get at Costco? And then the next one is, what do you get at Trader Joe's? I'm going to start with the biggest purchase, and it started as an impulse, but when I brought this home, Zane was like, oh my goodness, I'm so glad you got this. And my YouTube people can see it, but I'm just going to lift it up. This is a gorgeous Polar stainless steel 45-liter trash can. It's beautiful. And we're going to use it outside, but this would be great indoors as well. But what I love about it, not only is it beautiful, it holds 13-gallon trash bags. If you buy the, let's see, what's the brand? You can find it at Home Goods, Simple Human, I believe. If you buy those, they're great trash cans, but you have to special order the bags. So this color is big, it's pretty, and it uses regular trash bags. I want to start with some of the things that I will be probably using every day. I love wild frozen blueberries. I keep them at all times. They had this 5-pound bag at a great price. So I got this, and I love bacon, and I often cook my own bacon and save the bacon grease and freeze the bacon. But in the summer, I really don't feel like cooking bacon. So I bought a pound of the Kirkland pre-cooked. So easy and so delicious. I also got a 3-pack of the organic ground beef. And I've not tried this, but this is Rock River Cattle Company top sirloin fillets wrapped in applewood smoked bacon. There were 4 of these, and I thought, how fun to have these to toss on the grill. Never am I without in my fridge this Kirkland basil pesto. This is 22 ounces. You keep it in the fridge. You can use this for anything. You can spread it on a pizza crust or a flatbread and add some rotisserie chicken, some baby spinach, and some mozzarella, and it is fabulous. I have a pasta salad. I'll link to it on the show notes. A pasta salad that is 3 ingredients. It's pasta, this basil pesto, and cherry tomatoes halved. That is perfect. I recently made that recipe and took it to a dear friend's home to help feed the bridal party. The guys, the groomsmen, were golfing that day, so I did a big chicken salad. I did pasta salad out of this basil pesto, and then I did pimento and cheese. That's also on the blog. Super, super easy and delicious. Do not sleep on these guys if you are ever in Costco. Real Good Foods. I know you've seen Real Good Foods. I've never seen this particular Real Good Food product anywhere but Costco, and they've been out of them for a while, and I saw them and I went crazy. Chicken and pepper jack cheese burritos, 13 net carbs, 37 grams of protein. I've shared these before. 3 years ago, we went to the beach with some of our friends, and I took these burritos. This was what I would eat for breakfast, and I was not hungry until mid-afternoon, if not dinner. They're delicious. They're fully cooked. You just reheat, loaded with protein, so satisfying. Could not love these more. Do not leave without those. Always get President's crumbled feta. I used to buy it and crumble it myself. Guys, I'm too old for that now. It's crumbled, and I just pour it over the salad. This is currently in the oven. This is so good. I'm cooking this for Zane and me. Rayo's eggplant parmesan. It's 2 trays. It's frozen, and you just reheat it. It takes about an hour. Actually, for my YouTube people, you can see the tray. You don't even take the plastic off. You just put it straight in the oven. And I will say, this is great to keep in your freezer. If you have a dinner party, especially if it's Italian theme, like spaghetti or whatever, pull this out, cook both of these trays, and it will be a buffer for running out. You will never run out if you add a little bit of extra. And this is always a hit. People always rave over this Rayo's eggplant parmesan. I keep this Wild Planet albacore wild tuna, makes great tuna salad. Okay, this Kirkland grated Parmesan Reggiano, always keep this. It's 1 pound. Use it all the time. It's awesome. 2 seasonings that I use all the time. The Spice Lab taco seasoning. I will go through this probably 5 to 6 months because we do a lot of taco meat meal prep. And I love this Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. It's dip and dressing mix. I have a pot roast that I put this on. I like to make the dressing out of it and add fresh herbs. Awesome, awesome. I love to get these there. 2 things that I use almost every day, and I can never be without them because of the amount of baking that I do. I have this Odavio organic high oleic sunflower oil. It's expeller pressed. So this is a healthier option than anything that's expeller pressed is much healthier than non-expeller press. Okay. This is the Chosen avocado oil. I actually bought 2 of these because when I was there last night, which today's the 4th, when I was there June 3rd, they had these $4 off. So I grabbed 2 because I use those almost every day. I've not tried this, but this is Kevin's Paleo Tuscan style chicken soup, and it comes in 2 pouches. I got this to send to Zane, to work with Zane. We're getting back on a healthier track because of his prediabetes. So this is a great, satisfying option for sending to work with him with maybe some sourdough toast or some chomps or something like that. And then I think I just have 2 more things. This Reynolds heavy duty aluminum foil, especially in the summer when I'm grilling. I can't use enough of this foil because I put meat on top of it and I throw away anytime this foil touches any kind of meat unless it's cooked. So I go through that like crazy. And then last but not least, Simple Mills almond flour crackers. I love to keep these because they're so good with cottage cheese, pimento and cheese. Oh, I did get pimento and cheese, and y'all have seen it before, so I'm not going to walk over and get it. I got a big tub of the Palmetto Farms jalapeno pimento and cheese. So a big tub of that with these crackers, cottage cheese with these crackers. I have a zesty tuna salad that I make. I use these crackers to scoop it out. I've got a curried chicken salad. Guys, these crackers are just great to have on hand, and they're gluten-free. So all of this was with tax $366.65. Oh, I also got kitchen bags. Also got the color solo cups. So there were a lot of things, guys, that I forgot to put out here. So I feel like I got a lot. I feel like they've got some good things, and I hope this was helpful. And I would love to hear from you all. If there is anything great at Costco that you have discovered, share it with the rest of us. And as always, I so appreciate you watching or listening. And until next time, you have a fabulous rest of your day. Hi, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the SavvyCast. If you'll take the time to rate, review, and subscribe on iTunes, that would mean so much. As always, thank you for listening and have a blessed day.